I wanted to show you guys exactly how I attach my 2x6 closure and U-part wig from Hair So Fab. So the great thing about this combination is that the U-part fits this closure perfectly. It's like they were literally made for each other. So once you line them up on your mannequin head, just go ahead and sew them together. How I do it is I go underneath the weft and then through the little band that's on the closure, and I get it nice and tight. Especially starting at that point, you want to make sure that is really secure on there so you can just easily work your way around the weft on the U-part wig, just securing it really good to that closure. And once you have it all done, just go ahead and cut off any excess thread. And as you see, the hair lays over the U-part super flat, nice and undetectable, and you have literally a bust down middle part wig right at home in like 10 minutes.
I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I